Hello and welcome to Machine Learning in Remote Sensing tutorial series. I am Zhiwei Li. The topic I would like to introduce is the brief history of machine learning. Before introduce the history, let's briefly understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. It consists of algorithms that have the ability to learn. This algorithm can be used to fetch data, learn from the data, and finally apply what they have learned to make predictions and decisions. This figure shows the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, as well as their development at different time periods. Milestone in the history of machine learning will be introduced. In the stage of the birth of machine learning, the first milestone was the Turing test, created by Alan Turing in 1950. It was used to determine whether a machine was truly intelligent. Nowadays, such a test is also widely used. For example, it was used to prevent large-scale intellect attacks. Then came the first computer program with the ability to learn, which was born in 1952. This program could play checkers and can be improved in each round of the game. Another milestone was the perceptron designed by Frank in 1957, which was actually an artificial neural network that could be used to simulate the thinking process of a human brain. At this time, machine learning had the prototype of modern neural network. Since the birth of machine learning-based methods, because of high expectations but little actual advancements, many organizations cut funding for AI research. As a result, machine learning entered its first winter period. Before that, in 1967, Thomas and Peter proposed the nearest label algorithms, which is considered as the milestone in the birth of pattern recognition in computers. Then, in 1973, the UK Science Research Council published the Lighthill Report. A very pessimistic forecast was made regarding AI research. Lighthill presented his review on artificial intelligence and argued that general-purpose robots are a merit. Then, in 1979, Stanford University students invented the Stanford cart. The most significant feature of this cart is that it can avoid obstacles while moving. To a certain degree, it was the prototype of the modern self-driving car. Then comes the third stage, the boom stage of the AI. This phase included explanation-based learning in 1981 and NetTalk in 1985, in which NetTalk was an intelligence machine that can learn pronunciation of words like a child. Also, some achievements in machine learning have been made before, but in the late 1980s and the early 1990s, AI still experienced the second winter and didn't recover until the early 2000s. During these periods, support vector machines were invented in 1992. It revolutionized large-scale classification because of its great predictive performance. Then, in 1997, IBM's computer Deep Blue defeated the World Chess Champion. It was the milestone event for machine learning to make significant progress. The boom in machine learning and commercial applications over the recent years started in 2006. The availability of high-performance computing resource and abundant available data has facilitated the growth and advancement of machine learning. Many companies have applied machine learning to analyze data and to improve their products and service. Two milestones were the introduction of deep learning in 2000, the deep neural network in 2011 by Jeffrey Hilton. This led to the current explosion of deep neural network-based machine learning. An exciting milestone event was the release of AlphaGo by Google in 2006, which defeated the professional Go player Lisejo. It subsequently defeated the World Go champion Ke Jie as well. Go is a game of very high complexity. This is sufficient to demonstrate that AlphaGo has very high level of intelligence. Up to now, machine learning has achieved a great advancement in research field and also widely used in our daily life, such as was used in language translator, voice assistants, self-driving cars, and recommendation systems, and so on. That's the brief introduction to the history of machine learning. Thank you.